Nikon Z8 to Z8 II, a true game changer or just hype? Here's what we know: the world of cameras is always moving forward. And right now, all eyes are on Nikon. After making a big impact with the Z8, Nikon is gearing up for what could be its next big thing, the Nikon Z8 II, or Z80 II. Leaked info and early reports suggest that this model won't just be a small update, it might be a full-on upgrade that fixes past problems and adds some serious power for both photographers and filmmakers. So, is the Z80 II worth the hype? Let's take a closer look. A quick look back at the Nikon Z8. When the Nikon Z8 came out in 2023, it turned heads. It packed nearly all the features of the Z9 into a smaller, more affordable body. With a 4.5 MP stacked sensor, fast autofocus, and 8K video, it was a solid deal. But it wasn't perfect. Overheating during long video shoots, big file sizes, and so-so battery life held it back for some users. That's exactly what the Z80 II is expected to improve. What's new in the Nikon Z8 II? Let's talk about what Nikon might be bringing to the table with this next-gen camera. Faster, smarter processing. The Z80 II is expected to run on the XPD7 processor, the same one found in the Z9. This chip is known for handling high-speed bursts and advanced video formats with ease. We're talking over 20 frames per second with autofocus, smoother 8K video, and real-time image processing like noise reduction and focus stacking. This means faster raw files, better buffer performance, and smarter subject tracking in the field. Major video upgrades. If the rumors are true, the Z80 II could shoot 8K at 60 FPS and 4000 at 240 FPS. That's a huge leap for video creators. Plus, it may support internal 12-bit RAW and ProRes HQ, giving filmmakers pro-level flexibility straight out of the camera. And for those who don't need huge files, there could be lower-resolution RAW modes for quicker edits and easier storage. Solving the overheating problem. One of the Z8's biggest complaints was heat. The Z80 II might fix that with better internal cooling or even modular add-ons that help manage temperature. If Nikon pulls this off, it could offer long, uninterrupted 8000 recording, something Canon and Sony have struggled with. Improved autofocus and AI features. Autofocus is getting smarter too. The Z8 II may come with an upgraded deep learning algorithm, offering more accurate subject detection even in tricky situations like birds in flight or fast sports. A new 3D tracking mode is also expected. This might let you customize what the camera tracks, like prioritizing eyes over faces or locking onto specific colors. Design, body, and usability. The original Z8 was built tough, but it wasn't the lightest. The Z80 II might use carbon fiber elements to shave off weight without losing durability. That's a win for long shoots or handheld work. Other small changes may include a new joystick, more custom buttons, and improved ergonomics to make setting changes faster and easier. Connectivity boosts for pros who need fast transfers and remote workflows. The Z80 II could offer dual USB-C ports and Wi-Fi 7, perfect for shooting tethered or instantly uploading raw files to the cloud. How much will it cost? Pricing is still under wraps, but reports suggest around $4,500. That's more than the Z8, which launched at $3,999, but still well below Sony's $6,500 A1. Considering the upgrades, it could offer excellent value for hybrid shooters who want top-tier features without spending a fortune. Nikon's strategy and what's ahead. Nikon is clearly aiming to cover different segments of the market. While the upcoming Z9 II is expected to target sports shooters with a global shutter and blazing fast bursts, the Z80 II is built for creators who want a mix of photo and video power in one compact body. Add Nikon's Red acquisition to the mix, and we might start seeing cinema-level tech in future Nikon gear. The Z80 II could be the first real sign of that shift. Final thoughts: if Nikon gets the details right, especially around cooling, autofocus, and video quality, the Z80 II could become the go-to camera for hybrid content creators in 2025. It's shaping up to be more than just a follow-up to the Z8. It might just set a new standard.